This project should be undertaken with parental or adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
Okay, Sue, you can open your eyes.
Finally! Wow! This is very unusual.
Oh, it is. Do you like it?
Absolutely. It's also unique. I've never seen a manicure like this.
The best thing, it will match any outfit of yours. Cool, right? So give me your other hand, Susie. Hey!
Sorry, Sammy. They're really very creative, but I won't be able to study or wash the dishes or even craft with these. I'll always be worried about ruining this pretty manicure.
No one appreciates my art. I wish it were possible to change nail designs in a jiffy.
You know what? Give me a second to take off this nail art and I'll show you one amazing craft. Luckily, it comes off pretty easily. Oh, hi, guys. Now that I've removed this fancy nail design, we can get started.
Hey, friends! Didn't you like my nail design for Sue either? I must be losing my grip!
Don't worry, Sammy. We'll need your skills later. Oh, and what's with the scarf?
I just ate ice cream too fast, and my throat is sore.
Oh, no. Here, have some hot tea, and I'll get to work. Today, we're gonna build a nail design machine. And Sammy has just given me a perfect idea of what it should look like.
Huh? What are you talking about, Sue? I didn't give you anything.
But you said you were eating ice cream, right? So, that's what it's gonna be.
Awesome, guys! Give this video a thumbs up if you like this idea, too!
I'm glad you like it. I see you're feeling better already.
A new craft always makes me feel better. Wait a sec. I think you're gonna need these.
Good call. These will help make the sides of our ice cream cones stronger.
Am I a genius crafter or what?
Now, this is what we've got.
This thingy looks like a coffee cup. Would you like an espresso, ma'am?
You're right. So, let's fix that.
I thought it's already finished.
Patience, Sammy. Just a few extra touches and it won't look like a coffee cup. Besides, these will hold the parts of the nail design mechanism. We'll start making it soon, so stay tuned.
Do we need to build a mechanism?
Yeah, but first, I want to create the nail designs. You know, I really got inspired by the characters from the Inside Out animated movie.
Are you really going to do it all by hand?
Do you have any objections? Oh, the great design master?
Not at all, but I'll do it faster than you.
Huh, we'll see about that, mister.
That's right, we'll see.
Before we get to coloring, we gotta make sure the fake nails will stick well. And double-sided tape will help with that. Be very careful working with scissors, friends.
Told you I'll finish faster than you.
Very impressive. Then I'll do this. Now, that's what we've got so far. But we need to finish the rest of the designs.
Master Samuel is ready to help. Yay!
And that's it. Sammy, could you do the honors and show our viewers what we've got?
Sure. Please shut your eyes, guys. And no peeking.
I'll make sure of that. Wow! Guys, would you just look at them? I like these two most.
Oh, that was fun. Now, will you explain why we need this? Huh?
Sure. Now, this is the base. Next, we need a strip of paper. Something bright.
Come on, Sue. It's taking ages. Huh? You're done?
Yep. I've just added a bit of the video editing magic. Now, we wrap it around the base like this and fix it here in the back. See? It can easily slide around.
Oh, I see! That's how we're going to choose the design. Isn't it cool? Then subscribe and don't go anywhere!
Look what I've got here, a foam paper strip. This window will help us make a pick.
Thanks, Tibidubba, for the double-sided tape.
That's true. There wouldn't be our craft without it.
But Sue, a real ice cream cone has a waffle and an ice cream scoop, and we have neither!
You're right. So, I'll use this brown marker to create the waffle effect. Check it out. Done! Now, we need to make one more important mechanism.
We need 2 bottle lids, a wooden stick, and an awl. An awl? Okay.
While Sammy is away, let's cut out a small window over here. And that's what we've got. Oh? What?
Hey! Where did you go? Sue, those lids escaped from me. And also, they are broken.
What do you mean?
They're holy.
Oh, don't worry. That's just how we need them to be. Now, we can insert a wooden skewer, piercing them through. Like this. Perfect. We need to secure it too, but don't use too much glue.
Aha! I think I get it now. What a great idea with this mechanism, Sue.
But it's not finished yet. That's better. Do you know why we need it, guys?
Sue, look, I've made a handle. Now it will be easier to rotate our mechanism.
Thanks.
Ouch! You're welcome.
Now, all we've left to do is put our mechanism inside our ice cream cone. Also, I'll add this piece to the other end of the skewer, like this. And now, it's time for some magic again. Ta-da! What do you think, Sammy?
Cool! Let me show the guys how it works! Ugh! Alrighty, just a second. So, there's this mechanism inside, and if we turn the handle, it starts rotating. Wow! That's it! My job here is done!
We're close to finishing our craft, guys. All we need to do is remove this cover and put each nail in its place in the mechanism, like this. We'll do it with the rest of the designs. The next is…
Wait, Sue! I want to do it!
Okay, why not?
Okay, here it goes. All done, Sue. Take a look.
Wow, great job, Sammy. Everything works perfectly. Now, I can choose the nail design over here. Oh, I like this one. Then, I place my finger right here in the window, and voila! A new design is already on my nail.
Sue, we don't have the ice cream scoop.
Oh, you're right. But don't worry. We'll deal with it in no time. What can be better than a rainbow ice cream?
Quick, put it here.
All right, all right. Here it goes. Let me just make sure it won't fall off.
We simply have to decorate it.
Oh, I like this idea. And voila.
Oh, it looks so good. I want to eat it.
Oh, it's the best nail design in my life. Just look how bright and awesome my nails are.
dishes, please.
Ah, sorry, Sammy. I can't. I don't want to ruin my nails, you know?
Seriously?
Ugh. Friends, do you like our craft? Then, like this video and don't forget to subscribe. Ah, I'd better go.
The royal garden? Maybe the royal frogs want us to bake their wedding cake. No, we already did that.
The sooner we get there, the sooner we can get back to the buttercup.
Don't worry, all will be explained when the royal frogs arrive. I hear them coming. But I have to announce them first. Toot, toot, toot. Presenting Prince Norbert and Princess Olivia.
Thank you all for coming. Princess Olivia and I must attend a special party today, far away, so the park will be without a prince or princess.
Is that all? Well, we'll manage.
Actually, Thorn, we thought we'd choose 2 lilybugs to stand in for us. We'll pick from this basket. Daffodil and Thorn!
What?
And now they're royal assistants. Bibi and Bucky. Yes!
Me?
Lady Ladybug will explain everything you need to know. Bye-bye.
Here is the list of today's royal duties.
I have my own duties, making meals at the buttercup.
And I have spring planting today. How about if the rest of us take care of the cooking and planting today, so you can do the royal duties? Thank you, Rose.
All right, Rose.
Here's the list. Call if you need me, but try not to call me. We've got to get to the planting. Have fun, Daff. You too, Prince Thorn.
Lilac's right. This might be fun.
I suppose, if we work together.
No need. We'll go do princess stuff. You two work on the list.
I never knew princes did so many things in one day. Are you going to wear a crown?
No, Bucky, I am not going to wear a crown.
Then I can cross one thing off the list already. Polish crown, done.
Okay, you can look now. Ta-da! You're royal throne. And here's mine, so I can assist from right next to you. Try it. And this is your royal thingamajig. All the best princesses have them. It's a lovely throne, Bibi, but I don't like to sit still, and I don't know how to twirl the royal thingamajig. Or, ow! Oops. Sorry, Princess Daffodil. And I would rather be called Daffodil than Princess Daffodil. Maybe I should go and find Lady Ladybug. No! She'll take away our jobs! Being a princess is fun! Sit back, relax. Let's have some lemonade. I do like lemonade. Lady Ladybug!
What's wrong?
The princess and I would like some lemonade. If you please, Milady Ladybug.
Of course. At once.
Stop! I must announce you! Princess, Cap of the Lilybuds Village is here to see you.
Princess Olivia usually chooses the flowers for planting in the north of the park. What would you like?
Remember, a princess always makes the right choice, no matter what. Really? All right then. How about crocuses?
The thing is, the crocuses have already bloomed. What about...
It's settled! I'd love to chat, but the princess is busy with very important royal business.
Your lemonade, princess and assistant.
Prince Thorn, you're not supposed to be cooking today, remember?
I'm not cooking, I'm stirring. And stop calling me Prince Thorn.
Okay, Your Majesty. I mean, your Chef Thornness. Do you like your throne?
A waste of perfectly good vegetables, if you ask me. Comfy, though. Rose! Yes, I was just... never mind.
I wanted to check if it's okay with you if we plant crocuses in the north of the park.
Whose silly idea was that? It's too late for crocuses. Plant dandelions, but only in the south, where there's more sun.
Dandelion south. Got it.
Planting advice, done.
The hummingbird bus will be departing shortly for the south of the park.
Hey there, Captain Steve. We need to go to the north of the park.
It is against regulations to fly to both ends of the park in the same day. The hummingbird bus is now departing for somewhere else. Lift off.
It says here that the prince must visit a new exhibition. What's an exhibition?
Prince Thorn? Very assistant. An exhibition is a display of precious objects. Ah, tiny visitors already. may I present Ellery's exhibition?
That's one of my wooden spoons. You stole this from my kitchen. Ellery, these items don't belong to you, and you know it. Sorry, ducklings. This exhibition is officially closed.
I'll get you for this, Thorn.
I love it! The flowers, the royal scepter, the throne. Thrones. Daff, why is your assistant sitting on your throne?
I'm keeping it warm.
Why else?
Lilac, what's going on back at the village? Tell me all the news.
Well, Cap and Rose got completely different instructions about flowers. You said crocuses, Thorn said dandelions, so Captain Steve took off and... Oh, is there more of that lemonade?
Oh, yes. Bibi, could you get some for Lilac, please?
So, which flower do you want us to plant?
I have to choose. How about carrots?
Carrots?
You heard the princess. There are too many flowers anyway. Here's your lemonade. Bye-bye.
Hello, my moly friend. Fantastic news. As your snoring is so annoying, so soothing, Prince Thorn has decided to let you move to your favorite spot in the whole park.
You mean I can live on Bunny Hill?
Yes, and all thanks to Prince Thorn. Oh, and don't worry, the bunnies are fine with it.
What? Don't get me wrong, Molly's a nice enough mole, but her on a bunny hill? Disaster.
I don't even know how this happened.
She'll dig tunnels, lots and lots of tunnels. Oh, you gotta fix this, Prince Thorn. Prince Thorn, the hummingbird bus refuses to fly at all now. Captain Steve says it's the wrong time of year for carrots.
Who said anything about carrots?
Prince Thorn, thank you ever so much.
No time to talk, Molly, and don't move to Bunny Hill yet.
Did my chipmunk ears hear correctly? Prince Thorn said you couldn't move to Bunny Hill?
Well, he said not yet.
Which means never. If I were you, I'd go talk to Princess Daffodil about this. In fact, I'll go with you. Shall we?
We bunnies have a reputation.
It's confusing.
We need carrots to see.
I already moved half my
Let them go.
I don't know what to do now.
But they can't.
I guess I'm not very good at being a princess.
I'm no good at being a prince. How do they solve everyone's problems day after day?
Prince Norbert and Princess Olivia make it look so easy doing this together.
Together. That's it. They work together.
Oh, you know how it sounds. Presenting Prince Norbert and Princess Olivia.
Oh, what delightful thrones.
They're all yours. Welcome back.
How did everything go today?
Oh,
How do you present?
how can I,
Let's just say everyone is happy you have returned, Your Majesties.
Why are they cheering?
I have no idea, and I'm too tired to figure it out. I suggest we just smile and nod.